When I think about portable food, of course, I think about a sandwich. But I'm not gonna make an ordinary sandwich. I'm gonna make an amazing sandwich. It's a tomato mozzarella pan bagnat, which is kind of a mashup between a tomato mozzarella and basil sandwich, and a pan bagnat, which is from Provence. So the vinaigrette is pretty complex. It's got lots of flavors in it, starting with 3 tablespoons of minced shallot, 2 teaspoons of garlic, 1½ tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, just to give it a more complex flavor. And 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, all very Provençal flavors. Okay, 2 teaspoons of salt. Such a great sandwich to pack up and take on a picnic, take to work. 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm gonna whisk in ½ cup of olive oil. And the mustard's gonna emulsify it. And as though it doesn't have enough flavor, I'm gonna put in 6 anchovy fillets that I've chopped up, 2 tablespoons of capers, they're drained. You don't want the liquid to get into this. 2 tablespoons, and 1/4 cup of Kalamata olives. I like the brininess of them. Okay, that's the vinaigrette. Time to build the sandwiches. Watch this. So I'm using ciabatta. You can use any kind of bread that's kind of dense, but the ciabatta toasts really well. And I've got 2 slices of tomato on each one. And then I'm just gonna put a generous helping of vinaigrette on top of the tomatoes and the bread. Okay, then the next layer is mozzarella. I thought fresh basil would be great in each sandwich. Then I'm gonna take the top of the ciabatta and put the vinaigrette on the bottom side of it and put it right on top of the sandwich. And now I'm gonna weight them. I'll show you what I do. I want them to sort of compress a little bit. So put another sheet pan on top and a couple of heavy cans that you have in your pantry. These are amazing sandwiches. Wait till you see how compressed these get in an hour. It's gonna make really good sandwiches. Look at that. And now I've got a panini machine. I've got it nice and hot, and I'm gonna put 2 of them in. Yum. I can hear the mozzarella sizzling. I know it's done. Look how great these look. Wow. And they are hot. Look at the inside of this. Doesn't that look fabulous? All of those flavors in there. Wrap it up into a bag. Portable food. Can't wait to eat this.